The players are warming up. The show will be underway soon. This is Kendrick Perkins, and you're playing Dunk City Dynasty. Time for the tip-off. And we're underway. An open three on the way. Curry will hit that shot 24/7. Lays it up. Buries it down low. No one was protecting the rim. Oh my goodness, what a move. Fires away. Curry with the triple. 3 more points for his team. Blows by the D, an open mid-range. Dodge hits it. Tight defense right there. A step back shot. The touch isn't quite there today. Elevates, just casually drops it in. Sends it away. Gordon makes an easy basket. Create space with the crossover. Wide open for a three. Curry doing what Curry does. Like Curry with a big time block. A clever fake. Uncontested three-pointer. Not feeling it from beyond the arc. Just denies the shot. The shot is contested. An off-balance shot, no good. Going for the dunk. Jaren Jackson Jr. finishes with a commanding slam. A wide open three, drains the three-pointer. Cannot shake off the defender. Create space with a step back. Jaren Jackson Jr. knocks down the three. A good look for three. Dodge. That's just way too easy. Setting a screen. Uncontested three-pointer. No good from the three-point line. Rises up. Gordon with the heavy slam. To the paint with the rack attack. Great defense. A clever pass, fires away. The shot bounces off the rim. That's a lightning fast release from Curry. Curry, 3 points off the board. A good look for three. Some Luka magic on display right there. We got ourselves a tight ball game. An open three on the way. Curry with a circus three-point shot. Embiid with the big rejection. Jaren Jackson Jr. blocks the shot. Elevates. Gordon. An explosive finish at the rim. The defender is shaking off on that one. A tough three-pointer. Defense was all over. Cut down. 4, 3. 2, 1. Embiid ready to protect the paint. And that concludes our game. And there it is, a big win for them.